reaction distance be if you were also moving at that same speed?
It wouldn't be no different, right?
It would.
Tell me.
Because you're
Tell me what the vehicle length is.
Right now you're stopped.
Between it.
It depends on the speed that you're going, but you need to have at least 3 seconds of reaction time.
The speed limit's 60 miles an hour, and that's how fast I was going, sir.
Right.
There was a couple times.
And to be a car length behind me at 60 miles an hour isn't safe.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to San Joaquin News Network. Today's video comes to you guys by the way here of this channel, Man Zane. Watch here as you're going to see him defend himself and his rights as this officer tries to ticket him only for his own pleasure. You guys can almost immediately tell that this officer was on a power trip and actually never even states the law or traffic infraction that this man was pulled over for. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section down below. As always, I'll see you guys on over in their comment section. Don't forget that the channel link and the original video link here will be down below in the description. Thank you guys, and I'll see you at the end of the video.
So this officer back here, he's from Airway Heights, and he just pulled me over for going 60 miles an hour in a 60 mile an hour zone. He was in the left-hand lane in a 2-lane highway on the 395, which clearly everybody knows that the left lane's for passing lane, and if you're going to be slower, that you need to stay in your right lane or use the right-hand side of the road where it's legal to be driving slow at. He was going 57. He said it himself. I wish I would have got that part on film. But he does. He wears a chest cam, don't they? Anyways, though, here it is. I gave him my registration and my license and whatnot, and I'm waiting for him to come back here. So we'll see how this works out. Apparently, you can't go 60 miles an hour when an officer that's in the only passing lane's going 57. Apparently that's illegal and it makes you get pulled over. Some bullshit, right? So we'll see. Apparently people have jurisdictions inside Spokane County when they're working for Airway Heights County. Pretty fucking funny shit. We'll see how fast this shit gets dismissed if I get anything.
How do you say your last name?
Mowbray?
Mowbray?
Yep.
All right, Mr. Mowbray. So 12 feet is not a safe stopping distance.
Clearly, because we don't know what happened, we can't tell here whether who's right nor wrong. This cop had never stated the crime nor traffic infraction this man had supposedly committed. If an officer can't state the law or traffic infraction that he supposedly pulled you over for, then the stop itself is an invalid traffic stop. As you guys can probably notice, this cop here was on a power trip. Most likely, probably just going around looking for someone to mess with. I guess that's what happens when officer discretion has too much time on their hands. Keep watching.
Okay, that's not safe reaction time.
My car's 20 feet long.
Okay.
I was that distance from you.
Even 20 feet isn't.
Then
okay.
Can you tell me what the legal limit is?
You need to
because
have,
what is 3 seconds to you?
At least 3 seconds reaction time. So if you pass,
what is 3 seconds?
Let's say
to you?
so I pass this sign here. Okay, you should have 3 seconds between that.
That's that car where that's all the way up there where that sign is.
What's that?
That's all the way up there where that sign is. I sit there. I just counted that van out when you passed us. Watch. 1, 2, 3. That's that sign way up there.
No, it's not.
Count it for me. Count it. Count it.
Sir,
count it.
Right now you're stopped.
Count it.
Right now you're stopped.
But count it.
So what would the reaction distance be if you were also moving at that same speed?
It wouldn't be no different, right?
It would.
Tell me.
Because you're
Tell me what the vehicle length is.
Right now you're stopped.
Between it.
It depends on the speed that you're going, but you need to have at least 3 seconds of reaction time.
The speed limit's 60 miles an hour, and that's how fast I was going, sir.
Right.
There was a couple times.
And to be a car length behind me at 60 miles an hour isn't safe.
All right.
Okay.
I guess when people brake check you, no, that's not safe. Especially when people brake check you for no reason, huh?
I slowed down. because you were on my ass.
Uh-huh. I was my car length, if not that further away from you.
Right, a car length behind a person at highway speeds is not enough following
Yep.
distance.
I was making sure you had nobody in front of you for you to be able to brake check me in any possible way.
What are you talking about? Are
Nothing.
you okay, ma'am?
Yeah, she's fine.
She's throwing up.
She's stressed out.
Okay.
That's all. It happens.
Sorry.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm pregnant, and so.
Okay.
She's just a little stressed out over what's going on.
Okay.
I don't blame her.
Okay.
She's fine. Trust me, she's fine. It happens.
Okay.
That was
I know.
gross.
I've had kids too. I've had
Okay.
kids because my wife has.
Okay.
You sure okay, ma'am?
Oh yeah.
Okay. All right. You need to allow more than one car length on the highway.
So how long?
That is not safe.
How long do you? How far? 2 car lengths? You
3
think-
seconds reaction time.
What is 3 seconds to
It
you?
depends on the speed you're going.
At 60 miles an hour, what is 3 seconds to you?
At
Is that
60
two?
miles
Is that,
an hour, I
is
would
that
say
2
at
car
least
lengths?
4 car lengths is safe.
4 car lengths?
Yeah.
My car's 20 feet.
Okay.
That vehicle right there was 4 car lengths of my car, and that there, every person, that guy right there, he should be pulled over too.
I
Because
do
he's-
think he's following too closely, but he's not as close as you were to me.
Please.
Sir, I couldn't even see your headlights.
I know
I
for a
couldn't even
fact.
see your headlights. You were so close to me.
I know for a fact you've seen my headlights.
I definitely.
I
could not
used to
see your
drive
headlights,
one of
sir.
those, bud.
Okay.
So I know for a fact you've seen my headlights. My car's way wider than yours. My headlights stick out sideways as far as your mirrors do. You know that. Look, if you don't believe me.
I do know that, and
Okay.
that's why when you're so close to me that I
That's-
can't see that's an issue.
No. All right.
Okay. Yeah.
So 2 car lengths or 3 car lengths?
At
Is
highway
your
speeds, I
preferred-
would say at least 4 car lengths.
At least 4 car lengths? I'll
Okay.
keep that in mind. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Is that all?
There's your stuff back. You need to get your current proof of insurance in your vehicle. Okay.
I'm waiting for it to come in the mail. As soon as it does, it'll be inside this glove box, sir.
Sounds good. Can you get an electronic copy on your phone?
At one point I'll bring it up. I'll call him tomorrow.
Okay.
And what'd you say your name was again?
Officer Langan.
Lagan?
Langan. Langan.
Langan? All right,
Uh-huh.
cool. Thank you.
All right. Do you have any other questions for me?
Nope. Yep.
All right.
okay.
Have a good night.
Yep. I fucking called it.
Go ahead and let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section down below. If you guys enjoyed that, be sure to go subscribe to Man Zane. The links will be down in the description below as well. As always, I'll see you guys all over in his comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.